I'm gonna make some mouthwash for my child. You can make it for yourself. It's very good. Yeah, I got some cloves. Yeah, I'm gonna put the cloves in there, and I'm gonna put some water in here and let it stand for half an hour with the cloves. Cloves water is very good. You can drink the water. You can put it in a spray to spray your face for hydration. You can also put this cloves in your food. You can, but for today we're gonna use this cloves in this water for a mouthwash. And now let's just wait for the cloves to be a little bit color, a little bit in. You need a color so that the cloves can infuse with the water. You can also make yourself some clove tea and drink the clove tea. Make clove tea. You can drink clove water. You can put the cloves in a spray bottle and spray your face for dehydration. That I do a video on that. You can also put the cloves in your food. You can also use the cloves as pain remedy. Okay. Yeah, after let it stand for a few minutes, for half an hour, sometimes longer. Then I'm going to put a little bit of baking soda in it, in the water. A little baking soda in the water like so, just a little bit. Baking soda in the water, you can put in some apple cider, a little bit of apple cider vinegar as well. Then I'm going to put in a little bit of coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good for the mouth, cleaning the mouth. Coconut oil. Yeah, I close it up. You can put in some peppermint drops. Also help to clear for the bread, to keep the bread clean. You can put in some a little bit of apple cider vinegar, just a little bit. I just put those 3 ingredients in here: the oil, the cloves, in the baking soda. So what I do, a little bit in the glass. This is what I do in the morning. After it's a mouthwash, after you brush your teeth, it's a mouthwash. You must do this in the bathroom, and then you just close it up, and you can put it in the fridge wherever you want to put it, your mouthwash, or you can put it in a mouthwash bottle, for your whatever. I'll put my thing in this one. There's and tomorrow morning do the same thing. My mouth feels nice if I do that. It's a very simple mouthwash. Yeah? They don't have all those things that the one in the shop have. All those chemicals and stuff. At least you know what is in there.